Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really. Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really.
So back with another video on this channel, and today we are going to talk about the best video editor on PC for beginners. Wondershare recently released their new version of Filmora, and we are going to take a preview of the editor. Filmora 9 is a paid version and the crack file is available for version 8 only. So the torrent download links are given in the description below, go and check it out. And today I have given a tutorial on how to edit your videos on Filmora. So if you guys like this video, feel free to drop a like, subscribe to this channel, and without any further intro, let's get started.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter.
Wondershare Filmora 9 is easy to use and a trendy video editing software that lets you empower your story and be amazed with results regardless of your skill level. Filmora 9 gives you a total control over your video editing project by importing and editing your video, adding special effects, transitions, and sharing your final production on social media or mobile device. No editing skills or knowledge while editing on Filmora, as we are not using Premiere Pro. It's probably the best video editor in the market to studying and show your skills. Filmora comes with a simple and minimal UI, which is suitable for most of the video editors who have just started their editing projects. Filmora features some easy tools for cutting your clips, adjusting the frame, applying of filters, adding green screen to your video, split screen view transition effects, and lower third titles. Filmora also features audio tracks for your background music, and all the songs are licensed from Filmora, so there is no copyright issue for your video. Filmora is upgrading every day and it's turning to be a professional video editing application. And Filmora started introducing many updates from Filmora 8 and they have improved a lot from their previous versions. All the torrent download links are given in the description, and Filmora also features another version which is available on their official website. So make sure to check it out from the links given in the description below. Most of the professional video editing softwares like Adobe Premiere Pro requires some recommended specifications for editing your videos, as rendering a 4K video on Premiere Pro requires your GPU acceleration, but there is a minimum recommendations for using Filmora on your PC. You should have an Intel Core i3 with a clock speed of 2 GHz, minimum 4 GB of RAM, and 8 GB is required for HD and 4K videos. Intel HD Graphics 5000 or later, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 700 or AMD Radeon R5. So according to me, video editing is one of the stronger way to deliver your story to the audience, and to be a good video editor is a skill every content creator should have. And that's all for today. And if you have any questions regarding the editor, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And if you guys like this video, feel free to drop a like, also subscribe to this channel. Well, with that being said, it's Team White signing out here, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching.
It doesn't really